Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You need to act fast. First, confirm Find My iPhone was enabled and that you know the Apple ID and password. This allows location and locking. On a friend's iPhone, open the Find My app or go to iCloud. com/find on a browser. Sign in with your Apple ID. Once done, your device's list appears. Tap the missing iPhone to start. Make sure location updates are allowed so you see the latest position before moving to recovery steps. Once you select the iPhone, study the map and note the last seen timestamp. This tells you whether it's recent. If it's nearby, hit play sound to help locate it quickly. If it's not close, enable Lost Mode to lock the phone, require your passcode, and display a contact message. Lost Mode also suspends Apple Pay. Only choose Erase iPhone if you believe it's unrecoverable, because erasing removes the ability to track it afterward. After you locate the device, retrieve it safely. If you used Lost Mode, turn that off and verify your passcodes. If you suspect theft, don't approach. Contact local police and share the timestamp location and serial number. If the iPhone is offline, enable Notify when found so you get an alert when it reconnects, and keep checking iCloud. Once online, you can play sound, lock, or erase. If sign-in fails, reset your Apple ID password to prevent unauthorized.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.